we're going to imagine that we've never calculated any of the sides before, but we do know that the hypotenuse of this triangle is AB, and we need to know the distance of this median. To start this problem, it's asking us to just compare the distances here between the hypotenuse and the median. We're going to prove that the median is actually half of the distance of the hypotenuse. So imagine that we didn't know what the median was. We'd have to calculate the midpoint, and we label it D. So if we actually calculated it, the midpoint of AB is going to be D, and we just go through this calculation here. Now, if we hadn't done the calculation for side B, for CD, then we'd make sure we put our point on our graph, like so. Then what we would do is we would calculate the length of B, of CD. Now, in order to do that, you're basically going to start off with this equation. Then you end up substituting directly in. You get this, and we end up with CD being 5. Now, the next part that we have to do is we have to find the length of AB and divide it by 2. And let's do that. So when we find the length of AB, we're literally going to get the following. Okay, and we end up with half of DAB is 5. So essentially, yes, the median is half the length of the hypotenuse, and we're done.